Back to another day. Going to Vicksburg to the parts store. Everything should be there. I gotta take that alternator back. Nowhere, because it's another wrong alternator. But did some conversating with some more C10 people. Turned out it's a 95 Sierra, GMC Sierra alternator, so we're gonna try to do that. Hopefully it is the right one. I brought the old alternator back with me, so throw y'all on GoPro.
I've been through everything, yeah. I done seen everything, yeah.
Bello on the beat.
Everything ain't what it seemed, I learned that shit the hard way. Remember hitting licks and trapping nicks up in them hallways, yeah. A slow grind, yeah, that's better than no grind. Be patient and I swear you gon' be right back in no time, yeah. And yeah, I know about that struggle, been through everything. I lost my dog, I lost my girl, I done lost everything. Like all I want is just to stack my money tall. And I was just down on my ass and I ain't had no one to call. Like please don't tell me that you love me, know that shit was fake. I put my love into the bag, ain't had no time to waste. As far as rap, I had to get that shit my all. To put my mom up on that hill and help my gang and them go far. Like please believe me, niggas changing just like the seasons. Money, clothes, weed, and that pussy, that be the reason. Them niggas see me drowning, they left me right in that deep end. I say myself, that shit on I would lay down.
Man, when I say I'm tired, I'm still here. Just got all my stuff, but the radar detector. Gotta reorder that. All these receipts, cuz. All these receipts. Man, tired. When you're ordering something, know what you're ordering, the part number, the right number, everything, cuz golly. Oh, you finally made it. Nah, let me call Sammy. Man, I'll never answer the phone. I'm about to go home, man. Damn, cuz. I'm about to go home. I'm about to go home, Sammy. Call the phone. Guarantee he's still asleep. And I called him early at 12 o'clock. Ain't no way I've been in there for a whole hour. In the parts store, at the counter. Man, that's crazy though, man. But he's out. Got my belts. Alternator. We gonna see. I'm about to go home, put this bitch on. Got look. What y'all doing over there? Alright, cool.
I switched it up, I went to college for a different life. I was a fuck up, told my mama I'ma get it right. It's T and no, I swear I love all of my dogs. And I'm just grinding cause my niggas need to see us make it far. And shout out P, that's my nigga, taught me how to hustle. I bought them forces from New York to try and make it double. When he got booked, then I just started selling weed. And then I got a 9 to 5 because the nigga had his needs. I could've been a shooter, I could've been a thief. I chose to be a rapper.
Alright, made it home. New belt. New alternator, package in the mail. That's my new switch panel that I lost the key to, but I bought a new one. And this smells good. There. I don't know where I'm gonna set y'all up here. I'm gonna throw y'all on the GoPro. Oh yeah, cool. Perfect fit. See, man, I don't think y'all understand how long it took for me just to get the alternator. What you talking about? I about gave up on that truck, man. Got tired. Got the wrong thing after the wrong thing. But we finally here. And I looked up how much all this stuff cost. The front face of it, $2,000. I got so mad at LMC. Man, it should be a shame how much that stuff costs. I was grinding, you was cheating, I felt so ashamed. I couldn't take it, we fell off and went our separate ways. I'm still stressed and started thinking this was just a phase. Yeah, I got money and the fame, but I still think about you. Like I wasn't even in the 30s. I couldn't do without you. Yeah, I go crazy about my baby, I'ma tweet about you. Like go ahead and try your luck and you gon' see what I do. Like little baby, you got me just going crazy. Oh yeah, brand new, baby. This can mess up your whole day if you lose it. Now I'm gonna be so mad if I find the other one when I put this one in. If it come up, I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Sick of the argument, why you always starting it? Should've known that this would flood the way we always let the faucet drip. Right, no matter how hard it gets, I'm leaving, I need all of it. My phone, you won't be calling it. These problems, you ain't solving it, Dad. Been betrayed on my life, I know you won't understand. Instead of breaking my heart, you took that shit and you ran. I came to the conclusion that you was never a fan. Took my loving away and gave it all to my mans. How would you feel if I fuck one of your homegirls? Thinking I cheat when I really be in my own world. Was for the people when I really need my own girl. Fuck it, I think I'm gonna fuck with your home girl. Thinking the things that I could've said. Hey, she'll do the things that you should've did. Thinking the things that we could've been. Yeah, now you ain't shit, but just a friend.
I need some sponsors, man. Stay talking shit like you changed overnight. And I ain't tryna hear it, I got other shit to do. Stop blowing up my phone while I'm cooking in the stool. I gave you my heart, but you ain't even need it. What the fuck was your motive? Give me all your reasons. Matter of fact, scratch that. I'm in the hood, rolling woods on the fat cat. I know you hate that, and I know you hate the mother bitches took your spot. Told you I would pop, you ain't think that I was hot. Now you on my line, begging for forgiveness. Told you cut it out, and bitch you should've
put that over there. don't know. I think it's in the truck over here. Now, why you want to fall out? Oh, you receipt. Man, where my tape at? Golly. I need to clean my truck out. Flashlight. She ain't gonna get no tape on. I need to find that tape and do it right the first time. Alright, y'all. Alright, this the end of the video. Wired it all up. And turn the key. Light come on. Flip. Light. No light. I don't know. But that's it. I'm tired. It's been a long day, cuz I was gonna show y'all how to wire it up, but it ain't happening. I don't know what the police over there doing, turning around. But that's it, end of the video. I ain't got nothing else to do.